Guys. All right, today we're going to talk about equivalent fractions, okay? So equivalent fractions are fractions that look different, so they have different denominators and different numerators, but they are actually equal to one another. So an example of this would be 1/2 and 2/4. Okay? Don't forget all the notes that I'm going to go over are right below here. You can open them up and download them, do as you want with them, okay? So 1/2 and 2/4. First things, let's look at it as a picture, okay? So let's draw, okay, two of these same bars. Okay, those are kind of the same, a little different. I'm not the best drawer. Okay, now this top one here, let's make that 1/2. So to make it a whole, it's gonna have two pieces. And one of them, that's not quite middle, huh? One of them will be shaded. All right, so if we look at that one, we can see how 1/2 of that bar is shaded. Now let's split this bottom bar here into 4 whole pieces and shade 2 of them. So there are 4 pieces. I'm going to shade 2 of them now. All right. So minus the fact that I can't make anything equal to save my life, can we see how that these are equal parts? 1/2 is the same amount of this bar as 2/4 is on this bar. They're the same amount, so that means that they are equal. How do we look at this numerically or algebraically, right? I'm going to get rid of this. Let's start with 1/2. Okay. Say I multiply the numerator and the denominator both by the number 2. Okay, so now what this means is on the top, or in the numerator, we have 1 times 2 over 2 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And they are equal. Okay, so today we're going to just do some examples of finding the equivalent fraction, okay? So how's it going to look? We're going to find the missing part of an equivalent fraction. So it's going to look something like this. Say I have 1/4 equals something over 36. Okay? So first things first, we have to figure out what number we're going to use to multiply by. That first example, I multiplied everything by 2. What do we multiply by? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our denominators, or whatever part we have total, okay? We have both of the denominators, so we're going to use that to find out what the multiplier is. So to go from 4 to 36, what do you have to multiply by? Well, the opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide 36 by 4. We're going to work backwards to find out what that multiplier number is. If we do 36 divided by 4, we get 9. That means down here we did 4 times 9 to get 36. So to get our equal fraction, we also have to take the top number by 9. 1 times 9 is 9. And there's our equivalent fraction. Okay? Now this is a little different, but it's okay. We will get there. Okay, let's try another one. Say I have, oops, that's not the one I want to use, 1/3, and I want to find out what it's equal to 8 over, it's a terrible 8 over something, okay? We want to know what that bottom something is. So on this one, we have both of the numerators, okay? So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to find the multiplier by working backwards to see 1 times what is 8. To do that, we would do 8 divided by 1, okay? 8 divided by 1 is 8. So our multiplier here is 8. That means we're going to take this 3, multiply by 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So this bottom number down here is also 24. All right, let's try one more. I've done some with ones. Let's do some without the 1 in there. Say I have 4 over 11 equals something over 33. Okay. So on this one, we're back to having both of the denominators. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to work backwards to find out what we multiply by. We're going to do 33 divided by 11. We do 33 divided by 11, we get 3. So that means we have to multiply 4 by 3. If we do that, 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer would be 12 over 33 for our equivalent fraction. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know and we can work through it. All the notes, like I said, are right below here. And then the work is to the side. Give it a shot. Let me know how it goes for you. All right. Bye.